Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best light painting tools is probably one of the most magical and creative ways to elevate your photography, allowing you to paint with light itself and transform ordinary scenes into extraordinary works of art. Imagine drawing with vibrant colors in the darkness, creating ethereal trails, or illuminating your subjects with a soft, artistic glow. This is the power that light painting tools unlock for photographers seeking to push the boundaries of their visual storytelling and add a unique, captivating dimension to their images. Number 5. DOCA Telescoping Pole 6 to 24 feet. Introducing the ultimate telescoping extension pole. It extends from 6 to 24 feet, allowing you to safely tackle hard-to-reach tasks from the ground. It features a straight metal tip for durability and an attachable multi-angle tip with 180-degree rotation. This makes tasks like cleaning gutters and sealing fans effortless. Storage is a breeze, fitting easily into a closet or hanging on a wall. It even fits in your car or truck, thanks to its adjustable length. This pole is compatible with a wide range of DOCA pole attachments. You can find brushes, squeegees, and more to suit all your cleaning needs. Safely complete all your cleaning tasks without leaving the floor. It's perfect for washing windows, pruning trees, or gently cleaning delicate surfaces. What we like. This offers unparalleled reach for various tasks. Its dual-tip system enhances versatility for cleaning and photography. If you need to tackle high-reach jobs safely and efficiently, this is your go-to tool. What people say. The light painting tools are incredibly versatile, allowing for a wide range of creative effects. The build quality is excellent, with durable materials that feel good in the hand. The included accessories significantly enhance the functionality, making complex light painting easier. Number 4. 180 LED Light Photography Studio Lighting Kit. Capture stunning photos and videos with this professional lighting kit. It's perfect for both still images and dynamic video content, ensuring beautiful illumination every time. Experience soft, accurate lighting that enhances your subject's natural beauty. Achieve radiant skin tones and crystal clear images with its precise color temperature. Elevate your portraits and video productions with this dedicated fill light. It's designed to bring out the best in still life and video subjects. From outdoor shoots to indoor portraits, fashion, weddings, and advertising, this lighting solution is incredibly versatile. It's also ideal for live streaming and product photography. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: 2 LED lights, 2 stands, 2 dimming adapters, and a convenient carrying bag. All accessories fit neatly inside for effortless storage and transport. What we like. This kit provides a complete lighting solution for professionals. The soft, accurate light is perfect for achieving beautiful skin tones and clear images. If you're a photographer or videographer looking for a portable studio setup, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The light painting tools are incredibly versatile, allowing for a wide range of creative effects. The build quality is excellent, with durable materials that feel great in hand. The included accessories significantly enhance the functionality, making complex light painting easier. Number 3. SmallRig RM01 Mini LED Video Light. Experience professional-grade lighting with our Mini LED kit. It features high-quality COB beads for excellent color accuracy and is incredibly lightweight, yet powerful. Easily control the illumination with 4 brightness levels. The built-in battery offers up to 5 hours of use and can be recharged via a convenient Type-C port. Transform any space into a mini studio. With included accessories like gels, diffusers, and barn doors, you can achieve precise lighting for detailed shots. Don't let the elements stop you. This light is built with durable, weather-resistant materials and is waterproof, making it perfect for outdoor use. Mounted anywhere with ease. It features a standard 1/4 to 20 screw hole and includes a cold shoe mount for versatile attachment options. This comprehensive kit includes the light, charging cable, various mounting accessories, and a full set of color filters and light modifiers. What we like. This tiny light packs a punch with its pro-grade features. Its waterproof design opens up creative possibilities in challenging environments. If you're into macro photography, stop motion, or need a rugged, portable light for close-up work, this is ideal. What people say. The light painting tools are incredibly versatile, allowing for a wide range of creative effects. The build quality is excellent, with durable materials that feel like they will last a long time. The included accessories enhance the functionality, making it easier to achieve specific lighting patterns. Number 2. Ulanzi UA12 Bicolor Inflatable Tube Light. Introducing the Ulanzi UA12, a versatile and portable LED video light. It offers a wide color temperature range and multiple lighting modes to enhance your creative projects. This light is IP66 waterproof and features strong magnets, allowing you to easily attach it to metal surfaces. Its inflatable and foldable design makes it perfect for any shooting environment. When inflated, it becomes a 60 cm light wand weighing only 216 g. Its flexible body allows for 360-degree illumination, adapting to various shooting scenarios with ease. Equipped with a 2500 mAh battery, it supports fast charging and provides up to 75 minutes of runtime at full brightness. Its cordless and handheld design ensures ultimate portability. Explore 12 dynamic lighting effects, from constant light to SOS and lightning simulations. The built-in screen displays the current status, and modes can be easily adjusted. Inflating and deflating this light is simple, whether by mouth or electric pump. It folds down compactly for convenient storage and transport. What we like. This light offers incredible portability and flexibility. Its inflatable design makes it easy to carry and store, while the waterproof rating allows for diverse shooting conditions. If you're a content creator on the go, especially for TikTok or YouTube, who needs a versatile and easy-to-pack lighting solution, this is perfect. What people say. The light painting tools are very easy to use and create stunning effects. The variety of colors and shapes available allows for endless creative possibilities. The tools are durable and well-made, ensuring they will last for many light painting sessions. Number 1. Obeamiu C10 RGB LED Video Light Stick. Experience a full spectrum of colors and adjustable white light, from warm to cool tones. Achieve the perfect lighting for any scene with precise brightness control. Crafted from durable aviation aluminum, this light offers natural heat dissipation and a clear OLED display. Its lightweight design ensures comfortable handling during extended use. The integrated rechargeable battery provides over 100 minutes of continuous light at full power. It also supports charging while in use, so you're never caught in the dark. Enjoy a comfortable grip with its ergonomic handle. Magnetic ends allow for easy attachment to metal surfaces, and a standard 1/4 nut hole offers tripod compatibility. With a power-off memory function, your settings are saved for next time. The included wireless remote gives you full control from up to 40 feet away. This kit includes everything you need for professional lighting: the light stick, remote, tripod ball head, handle grips, carrying bag, and charging cable. It's perfect for photographers, streamers, and creators alike. What we like. This wand offers extensive color options and long-lasting power. The remote control adds significant convenience for remote adjustments. If you're looking for a versatile light for creative mood lighting, vlogging, or live streaming where color customization is key, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The light painting tools are very versatile and allow for a wide range of creative effects. The build quality of the tools is excellent, making them durable for frequent use. The included accessories enhance the functionality and provide additional options for light painting. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.